And we go.
Thanks again for stopping by and checking out our content here at National Gear Repair. We are a comprehensive industrial remanufacturing center focusing on repair and remanufacturing of Gloucester Gearboxes. We work on all brands of gearboxes and pumps. In today's video, we will be checking out a repair we did on a Gloucester Gearbox. If you have an old or an obsolete gearbox that you can no longer find inner components, we can reverse engineer them to the exact same specifications and Bernil hardness and Rockwell hardness which is required from the OEM manufacturers. We can even manufacture gearing such as helical, herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, bull gears, and much more. At National Gear Repair, we offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. We also offer 24-hour emergency rush repair to make sure you get your Gloucester gearboxes back in a production as soon as possible. All mechanics at National Gear Repair are Timken bearing certified and Falk school certified, meaning we don't just change out bearings and seals here at National Gear Repair. All bearings are installed utilizing thermal expansion and physics to shrink the shafts with liquid nitrogen, allowing for an easy installation of a superheated bearing that locks into place. Without further ado, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and remember to share this video. National Gear Repair has your back.